How to download Minecraft for free. In this video I will show you how to download Minecraft for free. The first thing you will have to do is open a new browser and go to Google. Write Minecraft in the search bar. Make sure it is the official site and go inside. Here at the top right, click on Account and log in with Microsoft or by signing up with a simple email. Once you have done this, go back to Google and search for Minecraft download. Click on the first link and then on Download Launcher for Windows 10 or 11. As you can see, at the top right the Minecraft installer download has started. Wait for the download to complete, then open the installer to start the installation. The download could take several minutes due to the size of the game and the speed of your connection. Once the download is finished, start the game and in the left menu choose the mode you want to play.